Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Like to blow it back before I burn it up. Where I kill the stage, I'm a murderer. I ain't been lacking, say they heard of us. Yeah, we turn it up like the audio. In the South thuggin', ain't no auto-tune. I'ma keep going, see me keep strolling through your atmosphere until I see the moon. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Cause you know the beat jumping, bang. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. It's sometimes to get hard to maintain. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. But the rhythm inside my vein. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. So get over that window, watch me fold it up. Popping them things and nobody won't fight. This shit detrimental, you might lose your life. We said that we come from the brick. Tackle the game, I lock on it and grip. Running it back to the plug, I don't trip. They was talking about breaking the hole, the wind, the man from the middle. I grew up on bigger, don't try me like Shawty. My trigger bit itching, my flow dripping juicy, so watch where you stepping. I got the juice and can't nobody sip it. I'm drunk on success, so I'm stumbling upward. All the way up, no, I don't need a chauffeur. I just need a bag to go with this cash for one. Ain't got dash and I won't get a torture. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Like to blow it back before I burn it up. Where I kill the stage, I'm a murderer. I ain't been lacking, say they heard of us. Yeah, we turn it up like the audio. In the South thuggin', ain't no auto-tune. I'ma keep going, see me keep strolling through your atmosphere until I see the moon. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Cause you know the beat jumping, bang. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. It's sometimes to get hard to maintain. Turn it up.
I got something to say.
Evident, effortless, evidence, injuries, element, edit his etiquette. Evident, effortless, evidence, injuries, element, edit his etiquette. Yo, he need an exorcism, extra vision, help me gain extra wisdom. Suck the exit, sex, my exit get you. Fuck that, only way I get away again is if I hit it with a tech and then I exit in the whip quick to go left again. Then you right back in the spot where you left the ring. Yeah, you right back in the spot where you left the ring. Expert the spot, I'm extra hot. For the trend, for anyone up next to the spot, next to drop, I get that threats a lot. The good die young will get buried next to pot.
Oh shit, we did it often, and it cost us. Rolling to our music while we puffin' on the ganja. Feelin' swish of sweet THC, marijuana. You ain't hopping in our circle cause you don't belong here. Yeah, I ain't trying to hurt your feelings, I'm just speaking on some real shit. If I hold it, it will kill me. On the mattress underground, hit that money by some buildings. Spread my message through my music, hoping all these people feel.
This my mission, fuck the game and get to wishing. Put your bitch in, ain't no snitching when we winning. People say that it's the end, it's just beginning. Homie, take another step and see if you be living. For my motive, I am driven. All these lyrics that I'm giving, where the fucking beat go? Well, bitches, bring it back. Watch me rip it like some crack. Give me bread, I want some stacks. With the knowledge, I want facts. If you beat around the bush, then we beating on your ass.
My name is Little Scotty B, and this here, Generation, we guys have been making music for a little while, probably about a year and a half, and we're coming out of a small town, and it's a lovely chance to be up here in front of all you guys and do what we love to do, so thank you guys.
I'll never know if she really ever. You kids get it. They say love is war, couldn't be any more true. Two people in love, some crazy shit they'll do. Ends of the earth, live and you learn. Pain in the hurt, placed in the hearse, laid in the dirt when the word makes it back around. They never loved you too. They say love is war, couldn't be any more true. Two people in love, some crazy shit they'll do. Ends of the earth, live and you learn. Pain in the hurt, placed in the hearse, laid in the dirt when the word makes it back around. They never loved you too. Y'all doing all right? Y'all ever have somebody break your heart? We go like this right here. Hey, TikTok, wristwatch, trying to figure out when the love stopped. I can't even think of a reason. I was too focused looking ahead. I forgot to check the blind spots. Swerve, every conversation, every discussion. I ain't fucking with that lame shit in the story. And me not giving a fuck, me the feeling the point for the ones you was looking for support from wasn't there. I didn't care, I didn't want to hear. So there lies a problem in itself. Asshole, the world gonna pin it on my chest. Man, I never ever claimed to be the best. Damn, sound came is the rest. And now I'm front porch chilling by myself. Vital half gone, phone off, no sale, hill shit on my own. I don't need no hell life. What's it all mean? Is that really how we got here? Second guess, another cigarette, cause you really don't even care. Never there. Always two sides, and you goddamn right, I'ma choose mine. Loose with this shit, so I get lit, baby, I'ma cruise fine. This ain't love is war, couldn't be any more true. Two people in love, some crazy shit they'll do. Ends of the earth, live and you learn. Pain in the hurt, place in the hearse, laid in the dirt when the word makes it back around. They never loved you too. Hey, I appreciate y'all having me up.
Are you kidding me?
We're only halfway through.
Hey, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. Brando Music on all social media. And I love to have you as a follow. You guess.
Dope.